Hi guys, welcome to Mama J's kitchen. Today I will be cooking curry goat. So I'm gonna take off the excessive fat from the mutton, and then I will be seasoning it up. So I will get back right to you guys. So like these fat that I take from the meat, yes, too much. So I'm just skimming off some of the fat from the mutton. So yes guys. This is one of the good old mutton. So guys, I did have it in vinegar and lemon to soak it for a while to get off some of the slime, because most of some meats have slime, so you have to use like vinegar or lemon to wash it thoroughly. So that's what I did. After I get off some of these fat, then rinse it again, and then I get into the seasoning. So yes guys, I know this dish is a popular dish, so everybody cook different and everybody tasting different. So I'm gonna cook it my way, or I like it. And I hope you will enjoy this recipe and try it and get back right to me when you do my cooking. Guys, so some of them I just split them in two. They're too big. And you don't have to take off all fat from it. No, you don't have to, because sometimes it's good to have a little fat under the meat. See all these waste meat that I took from it? All this. I'm just gonna rinse it again and just season it. This was my lemon. So I'm just gonna rinse it twice, and then I get into the seasoning. So guys, we want to drain off most of the excessive water. We don't want to season the meat with too much water. We want to drain it thoroughly. Rinse my hands. Here I have all my seasoning. So guys, this is all purpose. Grace all purpose. So this is 1 teaspoon. And this is garlic, a less than 1 teaspoon. And then we have our black pepper, 1 teaspoon. And then we have our pimento. This is like a half a teaspoon. A little salt, less than a teaspoon. But we don't want to over salt it. When it's cooking, if it want more, you can always add the rest of salt. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put a little bit of turmeric powder. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon. And then this is the curry, Blue Mountain Country. Yes, this is one of the best curry. And I have another curry. This is Walkwood curry. This one is the liquid. I will be putting 2 of this teaspoon. So this is 1 teaspoon. I put in 2. And then I'm gonna put a little powder curry in it. And this green season, guys, I'm gonna put this in the description that you can see how I make it. This is a green liquid seasoning, so you will see how I do this. Guys, I'm gonna put on gloves because this curry is very stainy. So I'm just gonna turn over the meat in the seasoning. Yes, guys, this is really how we do the good old steak, guys. Keep rubbing it in and rubbing it in. So you rub it in and give it a thoroughly rub. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, I think it's get enough. Enough rub, so I'm gonna cover it up because this is for Sunday. So I'm gonna let it soak for overnight, and tomorrow I will get back to it. Hi guys, here I am back with my curry mutton. So I'm gonna put some coconut oil in the pot. So I'll be using like about 2 big spoons of oil in it, and then I'm gonna put some curry in the pot. I already seasoned curry with the mutton, and then I'm gonna put 3 pegs of garlic in it for it to burn. Then we're going to stir it. Let the garlic burn in the oil. So we can get that nice aroma smell. Yes guys, so you just stir it. You're not going to let the garlic burn. You just let it burn for a little bit, but not burn up for it to get black. Yes guys, so now I'm going to put my mutton in the pot. So now we're going to stir it. See that, guys? So I am going to put the cover on it for like 5 minutes for it to steam cook. I'm not going to close the pressure yet. I'm just going to rest it on the top. And when I get back, I will put it, set the pot for 15 minutes. But this pressure is very quick. So I will put it back for 15 minutes. And pour some hot water in it, and then I will check back with it. Yes guys, so I am back again. Sorry. So I'm going to get my hot water to pour into it. My hot water in my kettle. So I will be putting about 2 cups of water just above the meat. I have to turn on back the stove to put the pressure top on it. Hear that snap? So I will be turning up back the stove and set the timer for 15 minutes. And check it, because I don't want it to get mushy. So I'll be check it back in 15 minutes. So we'll be get back, I think. Yes guys, I am back. The 15 minutes is up. I cool down the pressure under the pipe to let out the steam. So here we're back to test it to see how far away it's cooking. So I'm going to test a little piece to see if it's almost cooked. It will take about 5 minutes more. And then I can put my seasoning into it. I'm gonna put a little bit more water into it. Turning on back the stove, setting my timer. I'm gonna set it to 7 minutes because the pressure is gonna take a little while before it build up steam. So I just put 3 minutes ahead. And then 5 minutes time I take it off. And then when I come back, I will get my seasoning into it. Okay guys? Yes guys, I am back again. The 5 minutes is up. So now I am going to put my seasoning into it. I have here a green pepper, potato, carrot, thyme, and I have some bell pepper cut up very small with some hot pepper, scallion, we're gonna just burn it into it. So we're just gonna stir. Get those good old seasoning into it. Guys, I'm gonna pour some more water. This is hot water. So I put about 1.5 cups water. Alright, so then now I'm gonna put back some of my blend up seasoning into it, because you know sometimes when you keep cooking and pouring water, sometimes you will lose the taste. So you have to add back a little more seasoning to get back the taste. So I'm gonna put 1.5 spoon of my blended green seasoning, and then I'm just gonna stir. And then I'm gonna get some all-purpose seasoning. My all-purpose Caribbean season. So just put like about 1/2 teaspoon into it. And then this is my Walker's Hood liquid curry. So I'm gonna put a little more into it. And this is spicy, guys. So I'm gonna taste the water with the gravy. Yes, guys, I don't put any salt into it because it don't need no salt, because these season already have the salt. The earth season have the salt, so we don't need no salt here. If you guys need salt, you can add it to your taste. But these seasonings have too much salt. So I'm gonna set it again for another 5 minutes. Because I don't want my carrot and my Irish potato to get mushy. So I'll be back again, guys. Yes, guys, welcome back again. See the mutton bubbling, guys. The gravy come together and everything. Yes, guys. Looking good, smelling good, and tasting good. I'm gonna turn off the stove right now. Then I will get back with my finishing product. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, right now I'm gonna be cooking my gungo, rice and peas. So here I have my scallion right here, and my thyme, and I have 2 green pepper. I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon of black pepper in it, half a teaspoon of all-purpose, and now we're gonna add our salt. Okay, now this is a bunch of liquid, so we're gonna need salt in it. So I'm gonna get my stove up and running. So I'm going to put in the thyme, the scallion, and the pepper. So these are green gungo, guys. The green Jamaican gungo. So these peas does not take long to cook. So we're gonna give it about 20 minutes. And then we check back on it. These peas don't take long. So now I'm gonna put the salt. So I'm gonna taste it and see how many salt. So guys, I use the real coconut. So I blend it and then I squeeze it out and mix it. So I'm gonna taste it and see how many salt is in it. Maybe need a little more. So guys, I'm not gonna put any butter in it. I'm gonna put a little coconut oil in it. Not much, just a little bit. So I'm gonna have this cook about 20 minutes and then I'll come back. Alright. Hi guys. Yes, the 20 minutes is up. So now I'm gonna pour in my rice. So this is about 2.5 pounds of rice. So I'm gonna just put it into it. The pea is cooked and everything. This is jasmine white rice. Yes guys, so I'm gonna just stir it up. So I'm going to put some more water. I'll put about, this is about a half a cup. Because jasmine rice do not take a lot of water to cook it. I need it about 1 inch away from the rice. So I'm gonna put a little more. So guys, I'm going to turn down my stove back. About number 5 to let it steam, cooked, and then I will check back in another few. Yes guys, I am back again. Yes, to check the gungo rice and peas. So I was stirring it up before I came on. So I think it needs roughly another 15 minutes tops to finish it, because I see like some rice not cooked as yet. So I'm gonna give it some more time. Yes, one side not finished steam as yet. So I'm going to put on back the file and the pot cover to give it some more time. So yes guys, it's coming very good. It's shelly, it's not soft. So I'm going to let it get a little more time. Yes guys, I put a foil paper on it to trap the steam in it for it to steam. So I turn it down on 3. This guys, so when it finished I will be back. Hi guys, here is my finishing product, my curry goat, plantain, my vegetables, my Jamaican Gungo rice and peas, and my parsley. And here I have a drink over here, pineapple and ginger with lemon. Boy, I'm telling you, this meal is so lovely. So guys, I just want you to look at it and enjoy the look.